Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the captions text color on Facebook web using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you like customizing your viewing experience or need better visibility when watching videos, this quick setting can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps most of the visual and usability settings. Next, go ahead and enter Accessibility Settings. This section is designed to help you personalize how content appears, especially for easier viewing. Now, look for the option called Video and Motion and click on it. This is where Facebook groups settings related to video playback and captions. After that, find Captions Display and select it. Inside this section, you'll see different customization options for captions. Locate text color and click on it. You'll now be able to choose a color that works best for you, whether you prefer something bright for better contrast or a softer tone for comfort. Once you've selected your preferred text color, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your captions will now appear in the new color whenever you watch videos on Facebook. This small adjustment can really improve readability and make your overall experience more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to get the most out of your apps and settings.